Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to bake polymer clay in air fryer. Yes, not with the oven but with the air fryer. I have made this polymer clay earrings already. I have used translucent clay and a bit of black color and some metallic flakes. For baking, I'm going to use this ceramic dish inside the air fryer. Just lay them flat. In this air fryer, there is already preheat setting, so I'll just preheat this air fryer to 100 C for 3 minutes. Now preheating is done. As per the package instructions, I need to bake this clay for 110 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So I'll just place this ceramic dish inside the air fryer. Now 110 degrees Celsius I cannot choose here directly because I don't have that option. Here only preset menu is given, so I'll choose something nearby. Let's see, chicken. 190 Celsius 25 minutes. I will adjust the timer here for 30 minutes and 110 Celsius. Same timer as per the package instruction. So let's start this. After 15 minutes, the air fryer will give you notification to turn your work the other side. Now at this time, you can just open the air fryer and push it again to restart, or you can open it and check your work and also turn it to the other side. Be careful. Have to just push it in. It will restart again from the same time. Now 30 minutes are done. Let's open it. Let's leave it like this for 10 minutes. Let it cool down. After it cooled down, it looks like this. It is translucent. So air fryer does the job exactly as the oven. Let's sand them and attach jump rings. Let's make holes for the jump ring. I'm not going to give a layer of UV resin because it's translucent. I want to leave it as it is. Let's attach the jump rings and back post. Cute air fryer baked polymer clay translucent earrings are ready. That's all for today. If you liked this video and found this video informative, please do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.